This is the Crown 800 watt model. I'm testing it on the first speed. Just added this saw, the blade for wood. The first speed, it speeds up when it heats automatically, but going to raise the speed now. And this is the locking key. It has 6 speeds. So we're going to use it on this speed, and instead of using the regular saw. It's just made a perfect cut. Okay, so we're going to cut the extra part. So this is the one for the wood, it has one for metals, and it's 800 watts. The maximum speed for the tool. Again, thank you for watching the Mobile Technology Star. That was it for today. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.